Okay, so what if that didn't happen? What if I get a notice of sale? What does this mean? So a notice of a sale is the first step towards a power of sale in Ontario. The power of sale is the most common type of foreclosure in Canada. It is the preferred process for Ontario. Other provinces do follow different processes, but for Ontario, power of sale is the most common. A power of sale virtually grants the lender the authority to take possession of the property and sell it off in the event that you default on your mortgage. It is a standard part of most mortgage agreements that you sign at the branch or at the lawyer's office when you get the mortgage. The lenders are usually quite flexible. They'll want to work with you to make sure that you can keep the house. The lender is they lend money. They don't want to own homes. This is the worst case scenario that they want. They'd rather have it worked out with you to make sure that we have a plan in place to make sure that we can bring it back up to good standings. If you defaulted on your mortgage, that's why it's so important. Reach out to your lender immediately. Reach out to your mortgage broker as well, because you want to potentially stop a power of sale and explore how it can be averted. Now, depending on the equity you have in your home, you may be able to refinance the property. Okay, we may be able to actually look at different scenarios in terms of, hey, this is how we can create something in the meantime to help you with this, and maybe pay off the initial mortgage in some cases, arrange a second mortgage to pay off the first mortgage just to give you more time or a buffer. The new mortgage may allow you to reduce your monthly payments. So all of a sudden everything is actually, by re-amortizing the mortgage, everything becomes much more manageable from a cash flow standpoint. Similarly, you may be able to have the opportunity to sell your house prior to power of sale, okay? So, and use the proceeds from the sale to pay off your mortgage balance. If you ever got to the point where that was the case, you would much rather be selling on your own terms than having it under power of sale, because all the fees and everything else, you'll end up with less on your own. So really, really important to make sure that, again, reaching out and saying, hey, listen, how can we navigate around this scenario? So before power of sale can begin, the foreclosing lender needs to serve you notice and allow you for a redemption period, okay?